Hey guys, Crystal Garden here. Just want to do an update on how the garden's going. Getting ready to harvest this bed completely, take it down so I don't have to keep watering it during the hot month of September here in Colorado. But yeah, things are looking great. Had a good season. Cannot complain. I mean, especially not for being here for not even over a month. Luckily, you know, that's why we set things on a drip system and a timer. That's key for everything. These soaker hoses really saved my ass. So did the mulch. So in this bed, we had mainly squash. Now I've harvested most of the zucchini, squash, and we're left with just a few pumpkins. Take you through to see the pumpkins. We also have some wild kale growing here. Wild now that, you know, it's been seeded for a couple of years. These sunflowers are all falling over. Here we go. We got 2, 3, about 4. Yep, there's a small one. 4 pumpkins we're gonna be harvesting today. Maybe, and then a bunch of tomatoes. There's one zucchini squash left right there. Pear tree grew great this year. Coda chasing the grasshoppers. We'll take a look through the back here. Got the sunflowers. We got a couple ornamental squash left. We got a bunch of those. So yeah, can't use them for much, but they look really cool. Sunflowers still at 11, 12 feet tall. And I want to show you guys, just like, look at how thick this got. I could barely get my hand around it. It's about the thickness of my wrist. That's a thick sunflower. And you know I'm gonna be saving the seeds of that one. Hopefully next year they're all looking like that. Sunflowers did amazing this year. Really happy actually how good they did. Look at this. Look at how big some of these tomatoes are. Holy cow. It's like, that's a handful. And that's just one. Wow. Let's actually go ahead and harvest that. Whoa, that's weird. Anyone ever see that before? That is odd. It's like it self-healed itself. It looks like it started opening and then healed. It formed this bump with these grooves. Wow, that is too cool. I'll let you guys know how this one tastes. I'll probably be the only one brave enough to eat it. But this is all organic soil, so I know it's good, you know. Good things come from organic. Bees are still loving it. That's why I'm kind of leaving this garden going a little bit longer, is for the bees. Basically what I'm gonna do is just stop watering, let them dry out. It's at that time now. It's getting really hard to upkeep. One's over here falling over, but man, they look so cool. They were great for this meditation garden. Nothing like having some tall sunflowers in your meditation garden, surrounded by crystals. Yes, I'm a crystal hunter. You'll see that on my page a lot. And I have been having so much fun, guys. It's like the best hobby, especially for COVID. I've been having a blast. Finding so many. Like, look at these beautiful points. Some broken ones. Man, look at that. It's so cool, in my opinion. Look at this giant one. Still looking for someone, or I'm gonna get the tool Dremel myself most likely and carve this into a dragon skull. Imagine that, a granite crystal dragon skull. So I love coming out here, having tea, doing yoga under the juniper tree. We got our apple, or this is our pear tree. Grew back nice after honestly being destroyed by grasshoppers again. Second year in a row, same with the apple. It was growing so good, and then the grasshoppers took over and they almost ate all of the leaves, but man, it's coming back strong. Hardy apples, but man, look at these grasshoppers. If anyone has any tips besides no-low bait, I already know. Any organic tricks, maybe some bait lure, anything. Because right now we are in like a plague of these. Literally, there's hundreds every couple steps, you see them all. So, yep, any advice would help. Just maybe I'll open the comments for this video, and open the comments in general. What do you guys think of these giant sunflowers? See, they're all pretty much done. Maybe just dry them out a little bit now. We got the fire pit. Here's what yeah. Beautiful shot. The garden. We had a big windstorm, so you see a bunch of the sunflowers fell over too. Got so windy. Here's a bench I built out of driftwood. Perfect for sitting by the fire. We currently have a bunch of our Malamute's hair gonna be burned in a little ceremony. Here's all of my garden crystals. I call them garden crystals because they're a little bit broken, but they're perfect for the garden. Perfect for a waterfall. Look at that. It's still pretty beautiful. If anyone needs crystals, you can always leave a comment, hit me up as well. Once I get my business page up, I'll start promoting it. But let's check out this sweet potato. Looking good. Got some tropicals. Got some aloe. Citronella. Nothing eats the citronella. Best plant if you don't want bugs, citronella. The lime tree came back, guys. We're super happy about that. We thought it was gone. Look at this. Got a half a trash can at least of sunflower tops and a tote, and it definitely will be filled by the end of harvest. Much love.